Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and this is a series that we'll do this week on malware, ransomware, on bad things that can happen to your computer or even smartphone, and what to do once you have been bitten. What can you do actually? So we'll try to have the easiest way to explain all of this. A ransomware is the first malware we'll look at this week. It's a type of virus. And of course, it is specific and special in a way because it actually takes your computer hostage, either by blocking access to your computer, meaning that when you actually start up, you can't access anything except get this page that says, well, you can't access your computer because we've blocked it and you need to pay if you want to actually get your computer back. It also acts in another way for some ransomware. Your PC might look normal, but your files can suddenly be all encrypted. And that means you have no more access to these files and folders. So, how do you get ransomware? What's the first way ransomware gets into your computer? Email is still the number one way. It's more than 90% of infections. It is, of course, as you go into your email, you might have clicked a attachment of some sort. You got to be very, very careful with email attachments because they are dangerous and a lot of people get fooled. So it could be, a false invoice, or maybe you get a tricked email from, the IRS or the Revenue Service, and it actually has a attachment. They say that, oh, you owe money or something. Of course, they're trying to scare you and lure you into clicking the attachment, and never believe that because they don't do that. So that's the first way ransomware will get into your PC. Because once you click that attachment, well, your PC will get infected by the ransomware. The other way, the rest, that 10% that's left, is by downloading illegal software on the internet or going to a website where you might want to watch the latest, movies, and it tells you, oh, click here, you need a special video player to actually access the movies on this site. Well, that's the another way of ransomware getting into your computer, because what happens is that the ransomware actually, once you click download and actually install it, well, you'll have your files encrypted, or even your computer might just simply be locked down and you can't access anything. So be very, very careful. These are the two ways, basically, that you get ransomware: downloading illegal software, illegal movies, or, of course, the number one way is really email attachments, which is very, very bad. So that is how you get ransomware. Well, of course, continue this series. The next video will talk about things you can do that will actually lower the chances of a ransomware attack being, a devastation on your PC or phone. There are things you can do to actually help out if that happens. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.